Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a business email account in IONOS. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over ionos.com, then we're going to sign in within an account by clicking on domain and SSL, and then we're going to buy a domain. So this is going to be the first step that you're going to do. You cannot buy a email or a professional email address or domain without a standard domain. So we're going to buy, for example, a .com domain, find up your domain, and then you're going to be good to go. Once you have opened or created your domain, you're going to have the credentials to sign in. In my case, I do not have the credentials, but I'm going to show you here some of the screenshots. So after you have opened your account, you're going to see this. So basically, we're going to have this menu. We have the domain, and after, of course, we have did all of the procedure to create a domain. Now we have the hosting and etc. From these products, we're going to select email. So we're going to click on email and manage the email addresses. Once you have clicked on here, you're going to select the plan that you're going to create. So we have four plans. Here we have, as you can see, the easy communication with 2 GB, basic mail or mail basic. Here we have the, as you can see here, the business one. We have the Microsoft Exchange and email forwarding. So you can go ahead and use the most basic one with 2 gigs only. So it is not going to be, maybe it is not going to be that busy. So you're going to create it. But if you're going to see yourself that you're going to receive more than 2 gigs of emails, you need the mail business. After that, or after you have clicked on here, you're going basically to enter or have the email, let's say here, information. So you're going to type in here the email, and here at, you're going to select the domain, or you can select an available domain. Then you're going to create a password. After you have created your password, you can go ahead and add some up level security. As you can see, we have the security of our email, which is going to be low. You can go ahead and charge yourself $1.5 per month by protecting your email against viruses and also against data loss. So total is going to be maybe 3.5 per month. It is going to be an additional cost, but maybe it is going to be worth it if you're going to have here a solid mail basis. After you have created that, you're going to, or saved these, as you can see here, a process, you're going to click on save. After that, you're going to face up this, as you can see here, email address. So you're going to see that you have successfully created your email address. You can create an additional one or send your login detail via your standard email that you have signed in or had the credential on IONOS. And also, you can go ahead and click on print, and you're going to have the email, the username, also the password. So as you can see, we can go ahead and set up the email, and we are going to sign in into the account of that email. So basically, you are going to see your email addresses in here. You're going to see the email address like in here. So I have no one in here. I have blurred the image. So you're going to find it in here. Click on tasks, and then you're going to click on login. Basically, on this list, you're going to find the login. You're going to click on login. After that, you're going to see the login, and you're going to put your password through. And then you're going to click only on next. So after that, you're going to see this inbox. As you can see at the screen, I'm going to make it a little bit zoomed in. So this is the inbox, or the new inbox for your business account. You're going to type in the first name, the last name of yours, and also the display name. Click on save, and here you have it. Now, you have also some other options like integrating this inbox or this email to check on your Gmail or your Outlook. It is going to be very easy. You can go ahead and have this option into the IONOS platform. So instead of heading over IONOS to check up emails, you're going to head over Outlook or Gmail. So you're going to see this. As you can see, this is the menu. You can have here the webmail, access your webmail from anywhere. You are going to click on that. You're going to have the credentials and also the steps that you're going to use. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.